FX100 testing equipment for inspection of PCB boards, SMT assembly, IC package, BGA, CSP, semiconductor and other electronic components, welding defect detection. The machine is equipped with a 360 rotating fixture, meets the needs of inspection in different directions. CNC programming positioning inspection, improved detection efficiency, powerful software, real-time navigable with HDR image enhancement, see defects more clearly, BGA cavity ratio and other measurement tools. Software automatically calculates BGA void ratio values, X-ray source with automatic protection. Adds a layer of protection, make operations safer. FX100 testing equipment uses steel plus lead plus steel protective structures, isolate from radiation. Compliance with international safety standards for radiation.